Greetings, tech enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to embark on a captivating journey with you through the captivating evolution of mobile technology. Today, we're going to do a deep dive into the riveting history, transformation, and the imminent wave of exhilarating evolution on our on-the-go communication device. But not just that, we're here to unravel the exciting changes that are brewing in the world of smartphones. So, buckle up because we're diving right into the heart, or rather, the processor of the matter. Our journey commences in the past, a time when communication devices were in their infancy. Picture this. It's the late 1970s and early 1980s, and the term cell phone is just beginning to weave itself into our vocabulary. During this era, cell phones resembled hefty brick phones, a term derived from the rather cumbersome appearance. Despite their unwieldy nature, these devices laid the foundation for what was to come, a revolution that would redefine human communication and connectivity. Let's take a moment to delve into the definition of a cell phone. A cell phone is a portable electronic device that facilitates wireless communication over cellular networks. These intricate networks consist of interconnected cells, making it possible for us to communicate seamlessly even when on the move. Fast forward to the early 2000s and we find ourselves at the threshold of a new era, the era of the smartphone. These remarkable devices were more than just a means of calling. They seamlessly blended communication with internet access, applications, and an array of multimedia features. Let's take a moment to dissect what constitutes a smartphone. A smartphone is a multifunctional mobile device that amalgamates communication capabilities with advanced features, such as internet connectivity, a plethora of applications, and an immersive multimedia experience. As time marched forward, the introduction of touchscreens marked a pivotal juncture in the evolution of smartphones. With the advent of touchscreens, physical buttons were relegated to the past, paving the way for a new era of intuitive interactions. A touchscreen is an innovative display that senses and responds to touch, efficiently detecting the position of the user's finger or stylus. This monumental innovation revolutionized the manner in which we interacted with our devices, transforming mundane tasks into interactive experiences. Amidst the whirlwind of transformation, a revolutionary figure stepped out into the stage: the Android operating system. Conceived by Google, the Android OS emerged as a formidable game changer, igniting innovation and diversity within the realm of smartphones. The Android operating system is a software platform meticulously crafted by Google. It serves as the heartbeat of a diverse range of smartphones. Embracing an open-source philosophy, manufacturers can tailor the user experience to suit their individual devices, resulting in a rich tapestry of distinct and dynamic smartphones. Remember the days when smartphones with replaceable batteries were the norm? Nostalgia. Cold Fusion delved into this trend back in the early 2010s. Carrying an extra battery was almost a ritual. But have you ever wondered why that trend disappeared? Let's rewind and bring you up to speed. The concept of replaceable batteries is set to take center stage. But what exactly does this term signify? In essence, replaceable batteries refer to batteries that users can effortlessly remove and replace themselves. The crux of the new law lies in facilitating intuitive battery replacements that require no specialized tools. Hold on to your gadgets, because a game-changing revolution has surfaced. Thanks to Cold Fusion's deep dive, we've learned that the European Parliament has thrown a curveball at the smartphone world. Brace yourselves for the return of the replaceable battery, but with a twist that's set to redefine the user experience on a global scale. Picture this: a world where replacing your smartphone battery requires no special tools and no complicated maneuvers. The European Parliament's vision is clear: make battery replacements as simple as possible. Gone are the days of sticky adhesives holding our devices together. This bold move got industry giants like Apple, Google, and Samsung rethinking their strategies. Now, there's a part that's catching a buzz. Our smartphones, those sleek glass sandwiches that we all adore, are built with intricate adhesives to keep them intact. This new law shakes things up by challenging manufacturers to rework their designs. But with the great challenges come greater opportunities. Get ready to witness the smartphone landscape transform before our eyes. What about foldable phones, you ask? The plot thickens. With this new law in play, foldable devices face a unique hurdle. Will they adapt to this change, or will they tread their own path? It's a tech mystery that keeps us all intrigued. But hold tight, because the revolution doesn't stop at smartphones. Tablets, laptops, electric vehicles, and more, they're all part of this grand transition. But here's the exciting part. The change isn't happening overnight. Manufacturers have until 2027 to adapt to this seismic shift. And believe me, they're already on the move. Now, let's talk about the big players like Apple. Known for their sealed designs, how will they navigate this new territory? But this story isn't just about repairs. It's about empowering users. Thanks to ColdFusion's insights, we've uncovered the rise of the right to repair movement. And the battle lines are drawn. Apple, in particular, has faced heat from their strict repair policies. But the winds of change are blowing, and the movement might just reshape the tech landscape as we know it. Now, here's where it gets real. Beyond convenience, this law has a green agenda. E-waste has been an environmental challenge for years, and this law aims to tackle it head-on. By encouraging responsible battery disposal and promoting recycling, we're inching closer to a more technical future. Let's shed light on the term electronic waste, often referred to as e-waste. This term encompasses electronic devices that have reached the end of their functional life cycle. Proper disposal and recycling are paramount to minimize the ecological impact of discarded electronic equipment. But as with any challenge, there are hurdles. Encouraging users to return batteries responsibly is a task that requires collective effort. It's a challenge we're all in together. So, what's the verdict? Brace yourselves for a period of transformation. Manufacturers are gearing up to meet the demands of this new law, and we'll all be here to witness it. Will we see smartphones tailored specifically for Europe, or will we embrace a universal design? It's a journey that's just beginning, and we're all part of the narrative. Before we draw the curtains on this enlightening odyssey, let's take a moment to revisit the glossary of key terms we've ventured through. The evolution from cell phones to smartphones, the influence of touchscreens, the resonance of the Android operating system, the urgency of tackling electronic waste, and the catalytic implications of the European Parliament's law on replaceable batteries. As we wrap up this exhilarating journey, I invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Was the disappearance of replaceable batteries driven by design evolution or profit motives? Let's engage in this conversation as we step into an era of change. And if you're hungry for more insightful content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, tech enthusiasts, stay curious and stay connected.